What actually is a blood group? A blood group is a classification of blood based on the presence and absence of antibodies and inherited antigenic substances on the surface of red blood cells. These antigens may be proteins, carbohydrates, glycoproteins, or glycolipids, depending on the blood group system. Before going deeply about blood group and its different systems, let's know what is blood and what does it contain. Blood is a fluid that transports oxygen and nutrients to the cells and carries away carbon dioxide and other waste products. Technically, it's a transport liquid, likewise in a CPU or an Amazon van delivering products, which is pumped by heart and gives and takes inputs and outputs and return back to the process. It consists of red blood cells, which carry oxygen around the body, white blood cells, which play a crucial role in immune system, plasma, which is a yellowish liquid that contains proteins and salts, and platelets, which enable clotting. Now coming back to the blood groups and their classification. Blood groups are inherited and represent contributions from both parents. The two most important blood group systems are ABO and RH. Scientists mainly use these two types of antigens, ABO antigen and RH antigen, to determine your blood type. Antigens and antibodies play a vital role in the immune system's defense mechanism. WBCs produce antibodies. These antibodies will target an antigen if they consider it a foreign object. This is the reason for the saying that there is no medicine for a human bite, because other person's saliva will be a foreign object in the bloodstream and it will hence fight back, which sometimes can cause severe reaction. And also, it is the reason why it is essential to match the blood groups when a person needs a transfusion. Now let's discuss about the ABO and RH system. ABO system classifies blood types according to the different types of antigen on the red blood cells and antibodies in the plasma. There are 4 types of ABO groups. Group A contains A antigen on the surface of the RBC and anti-B antibody in the plasma. Group B contains B antigen on the surface of RBC and anti-A antibody in the plasma. Group AB contains both AB antigen on the surface of RBC and does not contain anti-A or anti-B antibodies in the plasma. Individuals with type AB can receive any ABO blood type due to lack of the anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Group O does not contain any antigen of A and B on the surface of RBC, contains both anti-A and anti-B antibodies in the plasma. Hence, a person with any ABO blood type can receive this type of blood. Coming to RH or rhesus system. This system is the second most significant blood group system in the human blood transfusion with currently 50 antigens. The most significant RH antigen is the D antigen, as it provokes the immune system of other 5 RH antigens. Presence or absence of RHD antigen is signified by plus or a minus sign, so that if the RBC contain the RHD antigen, they are RHD positive. If they do not, they are RHD negative. Doctors need to take into account both ABO and RH when considering blood types. This means there are 8 blood types in total. Here, we must note the point that in addition to ABO and RH systems, there are 34 other recognized blood group systems. These are all different systems based on antigens present on the red blood cell membrane. For example, an individual can be AB, D positive, and at the same time M and N positive in MNS system, K positive in KEL system, Lewis A or Lewis B negative in Lewis system. Many of these systems are named after the patients in whom the corresponding antibodies were encountered. Systems other than ABO and RH pose a potential yet relatively low risk of complication upon mixing blood groups from different people. Well, let's know how is a blood type determined by a doctor. In a lab, a technician mixes the individual's blood samples with 3 different substances, each of which contain A antibodies, B antibodies, or RH factor to see how they react to it. The antibodies will cause a different reaction in each case. If the blood is incompatible, it will clump. Observing these reactions will enable the technician to identify the person's blood type. Now coming to the end, it's time for the mind-blowing facts about blood and its types. We might be thinking our blood group remains the same throughout our life, but it's not always true. Sometimes, very rarely, an individual's blood type changes through addition or suppression of an antigen by infection, malignancy, and autoimmune disease. Another common way is during bone marrow transplant, where the blood type of patients eventually converts to donor's type. The golden blood type, or Rh null blood group, contains no Rh antigen on RBC. Not having one prevalent antigen makes a blood group rare, but this type lacks antigens altogether in its Rh system and is found 1 in 6 million people. It is also so rare that only 9 active donors are present out there to donate blood. Similarly, the Bombay phenotype, or Bombay blood, on which many movies were released in different languages in India, was first discovered in Bombay in India. This type has no A or B antigen on the RBCs. Actually, by definition, it fits in O blood group, but in Bombay blood, there is a void of A, B antigen as well as the common H antigen, which is also present in the ABO system. Hemolytic disease of newborn. A pregnant woman may carry a fetus with blood type different from her own. Typically, this issue is common with mothers having Rh negative and child has Rh positive. And if some of the fetus blood cells pass into the mother's blood, then mother's blood makes antibodies against the fetus blood type. This can cause Rh disease or hemolytic disease, which can be lethal. While transfusion of blood plasma, the compatibility is the inverse of the red blood cells compatibility, as here antibodies are considered, not antigens. The O negative is the universal donor and AB positive is the universal recipient. The AB negative is the rarest blood group with less than 1% of the world's population. Up to 3 number of patients can be treated with 1 pint of donated blood. For those who don't know what pint is, it is a quantity of measure which is about 1/8 of a gallon. Blood makes up to 7% of our body weight, and a newborn baby has just 1 cup of blood in his body. There is no substitute for human blood, so donate your blood and make a difference by saving a life. Please do like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe.